I didn't use the right brand. I couldn't remember whether you put it over the top of it.
Yeah, you do.
Do you undo it all or just leave it?
No, you undo it.
I had it all undone, it didn't work then.
Oh.
I thought it just come
Because
undone.
how's it going to...
I don't know.
Remember we pulled it all out and then put it over and then squashed it all in the top? When
Yeah,
I
you should
first
probably
did
stuff
it?
it down.
Yeah, and you go like that. Put the chapel in. Put that around it and squash all that in like that, and then it grows.
Oh,
yeah.
And then you go,
Wait a minute. You go.
what are you going to do now?
I'll get rid of some of the water.
There's a fresh batch in there. Get the,
Fresh batch of condoms.
Yeah, you got to do it right. He's going to get it on video. Wait.
Oh, in the fridge.
Who keeps their rice in the fridge?
In there.
Just lucky it's not in a washing machine yet.
Shut up.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. I didn't put it in there. So what you do, you put it in there.
We did it at his mother's place. His mother was right, and then she thought.
You can put rice.
She thought it was really funny.
You can put rice, or you put bird seed around. But most people got rice, not bird seed. One night I did it at Mandy's. There was that's when Aaron went to Bundaberg.
Yeah.
And I did it there. Should have seen the people laugh. But I stuck 2 of those bastards in. She went,
Yeah, straight
and then she
up.
come in, kept working. Okay. We'll try again.
The Viagra trade. Yep. It's growing. That's better than the last time. Oh, no, it'll
Got
straighten
the
up.
flub.
Hang on, leave it, it'll come up. Just a bit on the slack at the moment.
Fuck's sake. It's still fucking going.
Okay. That's a good one. That was a good one. You have extra large tuck. It's going to come off the thing.
It's not working
That was
properly.
perfect. It was good.
What a waste of a condom. This is bullshit.
Fucking 24 where that came from.